Vietnam's nationwide 500-day and night campaign to intensify the search, recovery and identification of fallen soldiers' remains is entering its peak phase ahead of the 80th War Invalids and Martyrs Day.
Yes, and in Hanoi alone, the authorities are collecting DNA samples from more than 8,000 unidentified martyrs' remains, with advanced technology offering a new hope of restoring the names of the nation's fallen heroes. More to follow.
On Tuesday, Hanoi began collecting samples from martyrs' remains for DNA testing at Yên Viên Cemetery in Phu Dong Commune. The sampling, data digitization, and handover process is being carried out carefully. Initial results will enable authorities to learn from the process before expanding it to 340 cemeteries. In the first phase, Hanoi will focus on 3 major sites.
Most of the martyrs in Hanoi died during the resistance against the French, making DNA identification especially challenging. We are collecting samples from 8,059 unidentified martyrs and aim to complete the work by April 2027, 3 months ahead of schedule.
Compared with samples from some central and southern provinces, the teeth and bones are largely intact, providing sufficient DNA for analysis. The outlook is very promising.
DNA comparisons between martyrs' remains and their relatives is opening the door to answers once thought lost. Nearly 60 years on, Liên still knows the letters her brother sent home from the battlefields by heart. Each time she opens them, the wait for news begins again. Her family's search for his remains has moved from hope to disappointment, time after time. With the help of veterans, they identified a possible grave, which turned out to be part of a collective burial site. Now, more than 100 days since the campaign began, hope has returned.
When I visited Tân Viên Cemetery, I realized my brother could be among just 25 unidentified martyrs there. If DNA testing can be carried out, we're one step closer to finding him. That's what I've been hoping and praying for. Grandma, Grandpa, Mom, Dad, and my brothers and sisters in heaven, please bless me and help DNA testing finally identify my brother.